Hey, I'm Stig. If you're running local AI on a Mac with Ollama, there's a setting most people miss that makes everything roughly twice as fast. Took me about 90 seconds to set up. I'll show you. Apple has its own framework called MLX. It's tuned for Apple Silicon, the M series chips, and it's noticeably faster than the default engine Ollama uses, which is llama.cpp. About a month ago, Ollama quietly started supporting MLX for certain model variants. The default models still go through Llama CPP. The MLX variants go through Apple's framework. Same model, same prompt, very different speed. Here's how you find them. Go to ollama.com and look at the model page, but the trick is filtering for the right tag. MLX variants are marked with one of three suffixes: NVFP4, MXFP8, or MLXBF16. If you see those in the tag, the model routes through MLX. If you don't, it's on the old engine. The site search is unfortunately a bit broken right now, so I usually just web search for Ollama MLX plus the model name. Lands me on the right page faster than fighting the in-site search. You also need to be on Ollama version 0.99 or later. If you're on an older version, even pulling the right tag won't switch you to MLX. It'll silently fall back. Let me actually demo this. I'll pull a Qwen 3.6 MLX variant and run it with the verbose flag so we can compare the token rate at the end. Now let me run the exact same model without the MLX tag. Same machine, same prompt, same conversation. You can see the text drips out visibly slower. Now let's compare numbers. So roughly half the speed. Same model, same hardware. That's the gap. There are also third-party MLX variants on Hugging Face under the MLX community user. Ollama can now pull arbitrary Hugging Face models too, so you're not strictly limited to what's on the official Ollama models page. That opens up the catalog significantly. If this is useful, subscribe. I'm doing more videos on local AI, Claude code workflows, and the kind of small optimization tips that compound when you're using these tools every day. That's my voice you're hearing, by the way. It's an 11 Labs clone of me, not a generic synthetic. The script and the editorial picks are mine. Real human running this channel, just letting the avatar handle the talking head while I focus on writing and curating. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.